Todd Brandon, and welcome to 3 Alexandra Street in Park Avenue. This charming gable home has got huge potential with all the features you'd expect. Beautiful timber floors, nice high ceilings, and timber feature walls. Let's take a quick tour and show you around. Well, there you have it, 3 Alexandra Street here in Park Avenue. What a great family-friendly backyard is on offer here, and it's just a short stroll from Stockland Shopping Centre and everything that's great about Park Avenue. If we can help you own this home, give us a call. We would love to help you out.